guys, welcome to Sweet Gamer. Vanessa here speaking. So today I'm going to try to finish Labyrinthine Forest at Time Corridor with this character that I'm using. So this is my second account actually. The other one already finished this one, so I just see if she can be able to survive and make it. And as you can see, I haven't yet take any chess here, so this is the first time that this character will try this dungeon whatever this is. So first let me see what I have here. So I think I really need something that will revive characters, so I just hope that my characters can survive. I think they can. Alright, so each time that you kill a monster, this platform will pop up, and remember that we're eyeing on this chest since my character hasn't have it yet. Anyway, let's proceed on. So I just use that one. Tempera mask, and let's go here first, because if we proceed here right away, we can't have it because obviously there's a lot of monsters along the way. So let's take the other way around. First, let's attack this one, so I'll just escape. So again, there's another blockage. Let's see what can we have here. I'll just recruit a winged character because you can use it in this area, in this part. So in this part, you have to use only winged characters to attack what is presented here. So what I have now, I'm not sure really if they can survive, but we will see, okay, if they can survive this. No, why is it the first one? Characters are having a hard time to kill. Oh no, the tank that I hired is dying. They think they can survive. Just skip and see which survived. So a pathway have been opened, as you can see here. So all you have to do is kill this monster over there. Oops, I forgot my goodies. Just grab the old one. Dash is really helpful because it helps your units to avoid attacks. So anyway, let's proceed here. And remember to actually don't skip the combat because you have to check your team. how these people survive, except the tank that I hired. Yeah, it died. Sadly, anyway. Pathway have been closed, but we can be able to go there. So speak to you and click the chest and let your character run towards it. There you go. She's running. Yes, I got it. Wow. Now let's go and grab the other chest that we have here below. So I think they can survive. I trust my character. Did they all survive? Yeah, they all survived. Dodge again. I think I got the dodge. Yeah. Okay. Let the other one you do. Let's go and grab that big chest. Did they all survive? Oh no. One of my tank died. Bad me. Anyway, let's go and grab it. So let's just revive one of my characters. I wonder whom would this revive. Oh, it picks random characters to revive. Anyway, since they chose this one, I'll just use that tank. Alright. I'm watching because their life is short. Oh no, they all died again. I think they need healing. Yeah, obviously they need it. So let's heal my poor babies. There you go. I healed them all anyway. Set up this one. I think I need to arrange this. I'm not sure why it's arranged like that. Kinda odd. Anyway, let's see. Can they survive? Just going to watch. They can survive. Oops, my exit. Mage, darkness, and warrior. How many is I have a lot of mages. Only one warrior. Alright, mage. I have that. Yeah, I have. The thing I saw it. Star Shield. I think I don't have it. Dragon Sword. No, I don't have it. So, my tank survived. I'll see if I can kill that one. I think they can survive. Okay, they survived. Just this one, the key, and take the goodies. Yeah, they survived. These are fireys. And just watch if they can revive my tank. There you go, they revived the tank. Nice. Okay. Think they can survive. Hey, why did I cancel? Forgive, guys. Forgive. I accidentally clicked the exit. Anyway. No, revive the healer. I just exit, my gosh. He didn't revive the healer. Let me see if that can work. Still my killer died. A healer. Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh. Keep on repeating this one. Just try something else. Maybe this one. You think I can survive? Just use this one. So, dragon, how do you have it? May tank always die. I just hope they revive the tank. I think they won't. They won't revive it. I just replace a tank. And then for sure they will survive. Because I have at least 3 healers. Let's see if that will work. Deadly poison. Let's see if they have a new tank here. So I don't have any problem with regards to my tank. I need a good tank. Did I have room now? No? So, there's a tank. Finally, someone who can survive. Wow, there's a lot of goodies there. Finally, I have a tank. Let's see if that will work. Oh my gosh. A lot of my characters are froze. I think they can survive. I have that. Yay, got all the goodies. So this is the last part. The one that I haven't done yet. My gosh, finally I have a tank. After 10 years. This game don't want to give me a good tank. Oh no, my healer. They can survive. I just need a tank. Yep, I just need a tank. So since it's gold, I'll get it. Let's go and grab some chest. There you go. Yep, it is done. Finally. Okay, so let's end this since I was able to complete. So I hope that this may help you guys, okay? And anyway, I'll show to you what I got. I forgot the last time what I got, okay? So I got this perform set. You will have these things once that you got the chest. Anyway, Yeah, really, I completed it finally. As you can see, there's the proof there, right? Anyway, let's go and see. It's to the awakening. And then we'll enhance those things. Okay, so I hope that you may find this tutorial helpful, guys, and sending you all peace, love, and light. Bye.